So now he's got a choice on the way back to take the easy route on the land over here on the right, or make the choice that I want, which is in the water. So let's take a look. Here he comes. Now I could tell he was going to make the incorrect choice. So I whistled. And I'm going to cast him back over to line him up for the correct route back. So here's what it would sound like. So just 1 toot, super clear. I want you to practice that if you're able to whistle with your mouth.
Okay, now we'll do the real deal. Sit.